Is this what we're trying to do? Does this look right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Sorry, Dave, am I in your way? I'll go on the other side.
That's right. Sound good.
Isn't it weird how you're not in the same room with someone, yet you really
don't wanna
feel
bump
like
into
you're
them.
still in their way, and you don't want to bump into them, and you don't want to invade their personal space?
But then after a while, you're like, I can just walk through people.
Do you think that will fall, Dave?
I think
I like what you're doing here. This is good teamwork.
I think we need that on there.
There we go. And then this one here?
Yeah,
or a bit further back?
Are we running out of what's it?
No, it needs to be very close to the edge. I don't want you to be disappointed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start turning here, Dave?
Yeah.
Oh, you work so well together as a team.
Thanks.
Oh my goodness. I thought I'd bumped into you again, Dave.
Yeah.
It's here that you need to remind people that they can still teleport, because you find yourself walking around the whole structure.
Huh.
Okay, good to know. So who wants to set them off? You use this ball here
Go
to
on,
just
Dave.
knock
Which
that
ball?
first domino.
The pink one.
Pink
Here.
one here.
That one.
Huh? What, as in just knock
Okay,
it
let's see
here?
if you've... Yeah,
Just
just
throw
press
it
into
at
it
it.
and set them tumbling.
Ah, Dave, we did it!
But there's a gap.
one
Why isn't it falling all the way? Oh my god, there's a domino in my hand.
Why do you think? Go and examine it.
Yeah, I don't
That
know why I'm
one's
stood over here
fallen.
going, what happened over
This
there?
one hasn't... Oh, shit. I didn't mean to pick that up.
The one on the lower section was too
Dave,
close to the
We need
edge.
to take that one out.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, look, keep going.
hey!
And